happy day one of Vlogtober. I didn't announce that I was doing Vlogtober, but I'm just going for it and I'm just gonna see what happens. I feel like every single year I say that I'm gonna do, what's it called in December? Vlogmas. I always said I'm gonna do Vlogmas and I end up like falling out because I feel like my life is boring. Like you guys don't want to see the day-to-day of what I do, but some of you guys find that interesting, and really I'm doing this for myself. I talked about this before. I struggle with consistency and, you know, sticking to deadlines that I give myself, and so I'm going to start doing this as an exercise in consistency, if you will. So for the whole month of October, I'm going to upload a video every single day. I'm gonna try my best at least. I'm doing some cool things in October, and so I'm hoping that I get some good content out of it. And you know, sometimes the videos might be like 5 minutes long, but the purpose of me doing Vlogtober is to get in the habit of creating content regularly. And you know, we all get really busy. We all have like boring, non-activity days. You guys are gonna get to see a little bit of that about, you know, what I do on the day-to-day, and I hope to bring you value at least for a couple minutes every single day. So that's what we're doing. That's my news. I just got home from a full day of work. So it is 7:08. I literally just walked in the door. I was up at 6 a.m. this morning and, you know, did some work and stuff. And I'm about to do a workout. My hair is like this, you guys. I talked about it on Instagram, but my hair is in its natural state right now because my straightener broke. My flat iron broke on Friday and I haven't replaced it because I'm trying to figure out which flat iron I want to get. I want to invest in a good one because the one that I had recently was like a cheapy one that I got from Amazon. So I am gonna do my workout. Another thing that I'm doing this month is working out every single day. So I'm gonna have to do at least 10 minutes of activity every single day this month. And I work out with Peloton. This is not sponsored by any means. I own a Peloton bike and therefore have the Peloton app. So I have access to, you know, spin workouts, but also like yoga, meditation, arm, core, stretching workouts. And I plan to do one of those activities. They have an October fitness challenge, so I'm joining in on that, and I'm gonna be exercising my consistency muscle also in that way. So the purpose of this video, since the day is basically over and you guys get to see me after I'm disheveled and home from work, is I am going to be trying out a new product that I just got from Amazon last night for my hair. I'm gonna try it out for the first time after I work out, so stay tuned to see what that is, and let's go work out. So I'm not even gonna bother getting cute for y'all because, like I said, this Vlogtober is all about keeping things real. This is my real life. This is what I do. So here you have it. I just finished working out. I did a 30-minute hip-hop class on my Peloton bike, and I am disgusting. I'm actually far less disgusting than I was right after I finished. I took a couple of minutes to hydrate and eat dinner. Raul made us some pork dumplings. And so now I'm gonna jump in the shower, but first I wanted to show you guys the tool that I bought from Amazon that everyone has been raving about because I wanna try it. Bit the bullet and got the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Now I don't particularly need volume because my hair is really, really thick and I have a lot of it, but I do need that one step though. And I just feel like I need something that's quick. I don't always feel like ironing my hair. It's also not the healthiest. I'm still gonna invest in a flat iron just because I typically flat iron my hair once a week and then I just kind of like live through it, like, you know, throughout the week. I just like work with it. But this is for on-the-go solutions. Because I am working out a lot more this month than I usually do, I also feel like I'm gonna be washing my hair more often. So this is me wanting to have something quick. I can't blow dry my hair for shit, but I also don't wanna be investing in blowouts every so often. I wanna do it myself. So that's why I got this, and I am about to open it. I literally haven't opened this since I got it. So let's open it together. And right off the bat, I can tell it only has the same settings as a blow dryer, basically, high, low, and cool. The bristles, I mean, it feels like a normal. So yeah, I'm gonna go pop in the shower and then I'm gonna use this with you guys for the first time. So stay tuned. All right guys, so I just got out of the shower a few minutes ago and I'm just going to, I really just towel dried my hair and I am going to part it in sections with these clips just to make it a little bit more manageable. So I'm gonna do that right now.
For you now.
All right, so I have 4 sections pinned down and I just left this little piece out here because this is what I'm going to start with. Here's my brush and I don't know how this is my first time turning it on.
I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
All right, so first impressions, that literally took less than 30 seconds for this piece. It smells burnt, but I know that's because it's the first time that I'm turning it on, and typically these things do. It's just creeping me out a little bit, but yeah, I mean, so far I'm really impressed. Usually this would take me a couple of passes to do with an iron. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair now and see how long it takes me. So it's 10:05 right now.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
All right guys, so this is the finished result. It is 10:28, so what is that? I started at 10:05. It's like 23 minutes that it took me to do this hair, which is very impressive considering how much hair I have. Now I should go through and like straighten out some of these little pieces because I am sweating my ass off in this bathroom, so inevitably my roots are curling up a little bit, but that's completely normal for me. My hair looks super shiny, super bouncy. I am really impressed, you guys. I am not a blow dryer person by any means. I could not blow dry my hair. I don't have the coordination for it. I don't have the patience. I don't have it in me to just sit here and like blow dry my hair, which is why I always resort to air drying my hair and then straightening it once it's dry completely with a flat iron. I found that this was really easy to use, and I figured out like halfway through, I kind of got my vibe going, and this is actually really useful here to hold and to turn your handle on the brush as you're going. One thing I do wish is that the handle was a little bit slimmer. Because it is thicker, I found that my hand was cramping a little bit towards the end, but I also figured out that it probably can be thinner just because that's where all the heat source is coming from. So also one thing to note is that there's not a lot of temperature control. I use it on the highest heat just because I have really thick curly hair. But yeah, other than that, you guys, I am so impressed with this because, like I said, my hair is really curly, especially in the roots, and it's typically really hard for me to get like a close blow dry when I do it myself, at least. And yeah, it took me literally no time. This is my new obsession. I'm so excited. All right. I am going to take my ass to bed because I have an early start tomorrow. So I will talk to you guys in the morning. Bye guys.
Easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break through.